Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Bundesliga in UK. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, we're going to search for how to watch Bundesliga in UK and then click on enter. Once you do that, we will now be able to see where we can watch Bundesliga in our country. So as you can see right here, we have Sky Sports, BBC, and Amazon Prime Video. So all you have to do is to choose the platform that you prefer. And let's say, for example, that you want to watch it through Amazon Prime Video. So we're going to search for Amazon Prime Video Bundesliga and then click on enter. After you do that, we're just going to click on the first link right here. After you do that, you will now be able to see the teams right here. So you'll just have to choose the team that you prefer. So let's say, for example, that we want to watch this team. So we're going to click on it. And then after that, if you scroll down, you will now be able to see the replays right here. So if you click on this, you will be redirected into this part. So what we're going to do is to, of course, either log in into your account if you already have one. However, if you don't have an account yet, we're going to click on Watch with Prime. So they have a 30-day free trial. And then after that, you'll just have to create your account right here. So just put your first name, your last name, and then use your email. And then just put your password right here. After that, click on Create Your Amazon Account. And then after you click on Create Amazon Account, an OTP will be sent into your Gmail. So all you have to do is to put it right here. After that, click on Verify. And then after you do that, you'll have to put your mobile number right here. Once you put your mobile number, you will now be redirected into the payment section wherein you'll have to put your payment info. And then once you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch Bundesliga inside Amazon Prime Video. So after that, you can now watch it through your phone, your TV, and even your computer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.